What is your name?
My name is John.
What is your full name?
My full name is John Smith.
Can you tell me your name?
Yes, my name is Anna.
Who are you?
I am Alex.
How do you spell your name?
John.
Where are you from?
I am from Senegal.
What country are you from?
I am from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Dakar.
What city do you live in?
I live in Paris.
Do you live here?
Yes, I do.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What is your age?
I am 30.
Are you young?
Yes, I am.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Are you a teacher?
No, I am not.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What is your job?
I am a driver.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Do you work or study?
I study.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
What is your phone number?
It is 123456789.
Can I have your number?
Yes, it is 987-654-21.
What is your email?
It is john@email.com.
Do you have WhatsApp?
Yes, I do.
Can I contact you?
Yes, you can.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Are you single?
Yes, I am.
Do you have children?
Yes, I do.
How many children do you have?
I have 2.
Do you have a brother or sister?
Yes, I do.
What do you do every day?
I go to work.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth.
Do you take a shower?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
What time do you go to work?
I go at 8.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Do you walk to work?
No, I don't.
What do you do at work?
I work on a computer.
Do you like your daily routine?
Yes, I do.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I work.
Do you take a break?
Yes, I do.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, I do.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat rice and chicken.
Do you eat at home?
Yes, I do.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I do.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I do.
Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax.
Do you go out at night?
No, I don't.
Do you clean your house?
Yes, I do.
Do you help at home?
Yes, I do.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I do.
Do you read every day?
Yes, I do.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am.
What do you want to eat?
I want rice.
What do you want to drink?
I want water.
Do you like food?
Yes, I do.
Do you like rice?
Yes, I do.
Do you like chicken?
Yes, I do.
Do you like fish?
Yes, I do.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I do.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, I do.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you like tea?
No, I don't.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink juice?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat fish.
Do you cook?
Yes, I do.
Can you cook well?
Yes, I can.
Do you eat at home?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat outside?
Sometimes.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, I do.
Do you want something to eat?
Yes, I do.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, please.
Would you like tea or coffee?
I would like coffee.
Is the food good?
Yes, it is.
Are you full?
Yes, I am.